In a large green jungle trees, sunlight streaming through the branches. The jungle is calm and peaceful, with the morning sun bathing everything in a golden light. Ellie woke up to the soft rays of sunlight peeking through the thick jungle canopy. Today felt like an ordinary day. Or so she thought. After a quick breakfast, Ellie wandered to the river. She looked at her reflection, flapping her ears playfully.
What could it be?
As Ellie drifted off to sleep, she found herself in a dream, standing in a wide field. In the distance stood the most magnificent sight she had ever seen, a great waterfall, glowing with magic. Ellie woke up with a start, her heart racing. The images of the great waterfall were still fresh in her mind.
What was that? I had the strangest dream, Mama. I saw this amazing waterfall. It felt magical.
There are many wonders in this world, Ellie. Follow your heart, and you may find it.
Ellie couldn't wait to share her dream with her friends.
Guys, you won't believe what happened last night.
A magical waterfall that grants wisdom? That sounds amazing.
It could be real, Ellie. The jungle is full of hidden places.
The next morning, Ellie and her friends gathered supplies for the journey. With excitement bubbling in her heart, knew they were ready for the adventure of a lifetime. The adventure begins.